In this tutorial, I will guide you how to generate credit note. Sometimes the customer returns the product they bought for any reason. If a customer returns goods for either full or partial credit, a credit note must be issued so that you and your customers can process it and make the according adjustment in your books. Now, let's get started. Once you log in into your account, from Sale module, select the credit note. Once you select the credit note form will open. This is open sale return invoice generation process. Mean if a sale invoice is not generated, you can still issue sale return invoice to customers. Here you can see the red mandatory star fields. These are mandatory fields which need to be completed in order to process a credit note. Select the customer to whom you want to issue credit note. Once selected the customer, now select the default warehouse or specific warehouse if any. If the credit note is from specific project, you can select it from the cost center and this invoice will be charged to that specific project. If you are not charging it to a specific project, then select default. If you want to apply any trade offer, select it from the trade offer drop-down. The trade offer rules can be set from the trade offer menu in the Sale module. The credit note or sale return number will be generated automatically. It will be unique to this specific transaction time. Now you can add original invoice date from here, today date or any other date. Also, receipt date is for when the customer will receive the preceding of the sale return invoice. If any other detail is required, that is to mention specific sale representative, shipping methods and terms, you can select it from these tabs. Now from the item code, you will select the specific return product. Mention the quantity of the return product and price. If you offer discount and charge tax on the specific invoice, then add the discount and tick the taxable checkbox here. The discount will be per item. Now click on the plus button and the credit note for the product will be added to invoice. You can see the invoice total here. If you offer special discount on invoice other than the above specific item invoice, you can add back it from here. If the items are taxable, select the tax rate from here to be included in the invoice. Once all the requirements are completed, you will see right here the total sale return invoice. Now you can click on Save and New button. The invoice will be saved and new page will open. Or you can click on Save and Print and the invoice will be saved and open directly for print. You can also save the invoice and send it directly to customer through email from Save and Send button. Here I will select Save and Print button. The invoice is now saved and you can directly print it from here. You can also save it to your computer as a PDF from here too. Thank you.